Imagine waking up every day to a life where financial struggles are a distant memory, where you're not just getting by, but thriving, growing your wealth day by day. This isn't a fantasy reserved for the lucky few. It's a tangible reality that's within your reach, inspired by none other than Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investors of our time. Today, we're diving into a transformative strategy, a beacon of hope for anyone starting from the ground up. It's a blueprint that, when applied with dedication and consistency, has the power to elevate you from poverty to prosperity in just 6 months. We're not talking about a secret formula hidden in the vaults of the wealthy or a get-rich-quick scheme that promises the moon and delivers nothing. This is about a fundamental shift in perspective, a series of actionable steps rooted in wisdom and proven by time. Warren Buffett himself, through his unparalleled success, has shown us that wealth is not just about the numbers in your bank account. It's about the knowledge you acquire, the habits you develop, and the decisions you make. So let's embark on this journey together, unlocking the doors to financial freedom and turning the seemingly impossible into your new reality. Mindset transformation. The journey to wealth starts not with a dollar, but with a thought. Warren Buffett, a name synonymous with success, teaches us that the most valuable investment we can ever make is in ourselves. Our mindset, the way we view the world and our place within it, is the foundation upon which all our financial decisions are built. It's about seeing potential where others see despair, opportunities where others see obstacles. This transformation from a scarcity mindset, where life is a series of never-ending challenges, to an abundance mindset, where every challenge is a stepping stone to greater success, is crucial. Buffett didn't achieve his status by chance. It was his unyielding belief in continuous learning and personal development that propelled him from modest beginnings to the pinnacle of financial achievement. This section is your first step towards that transformation. It's about rewiring your brain to think like the wealthy, to understand that every decision you make today shapes your financial tomorrow. As we peel back the layers of self-doubt and fear, we'll discover the resilient, resourceful individual capable of achieving extraordinary things. Remember, in the realm of personal growth and wealth creation, your mindset is your most powerful asset. Let's nurture it, let's empower it, and let it be the catalyst for the remarkable journey ahead. Living below your means. Warren Buffett, despite his immense wealth, lives a life that epitomizes the principle of living below one's means. It's a testament to the idea that accumulating wealth isn't just about how much you earn, but more importantly, about how much you save and how wisely you spend. This section delves into the art of frugality, not as a means of depriving oneself, but as a strategic approach to financial freedom. It's about making conscious decisions that align with long-term financial goals, distinguishing between needs and wants, and understanding the value of money. Buffett's choice to reside in a modest home he bought decades ago, drive practical cars, and avoid lavish expenditures speaks volumes about his commitment to this principle. It's a powerful reminder that true wealth is accumulated not through extravagant living, but through prudent financial choices. By adopting a mindset of frugality, we learn to appreciate and make the most of what we have, ensuring that our expenditures never outpace our earnings. This approach not only secures our financial future, but also teaches us the invaluable lesson of contentment and finding happiness in simplicity. In embracing this way of life, we set the foundation for a future where financial stress is replaced by security, allowing us to focus on what truly matters in life. Increasing your income. The path to wealth is twofold: minimizing expenses and maximizing income. Warren Buffett didn't just focus on saving money, he also relentlessly pursued opportunities to increase his earnings. This section explores the dynamic world of enhancing your income streams. It's about recognizing that your potential to earn is not fixed, but can be expanded through creativity, innovation, and continuous learning. Buffett himself advocates for diversifying income sources, investing in oneself to improve skills, and seizing opportunities that lie in entrepreneurship and side hustles. This isn't about working harder, but working smarter, identifying gaps in the market, and providing value where it's needed most. It's about seeing yourself as an asset, one that can appreciate in value through education, experience, and effort. Embracing this mindset opens up a myriad of possibilities to increase your wealth. Whether it's acquiring new skills that make you more marketable, launching a side business, or investing in income-generating assets, the essence lies in creating more channels through which money can flow into your life. This proactive approach to boosting your income not only accelerates your journey to financial freedom, but also enriches your life with diverse experiences and skills, making the journey towards wealth a fulfilling and expansive one. Smart investing. Smart investing is the cornerstone of Warren Buffett's wealth-building strategy. It's not about chasing the latest stock market trends or looking for quick wins. It's about making informed, strategic decisions that grow your wealth over time. This section dives into the principles of value investing, a philosophy that involves buying undervalued assets that have the potential to appreciate in the long term. Buffett's approach emphasizes thorough research, patience, and a focus on fundamentals rather than market speculation. It's about understanding what you're investing in, recognizing the intrinsic value of assets, and having the discipline to wait for the market to recognize this value. Smart investing also means diversifying your portfolio to spread risk and not putting all your eggs in one basket. By following these principles, you're not just investing in stocks or real estate, you're investing in a future where financial stability and growth are built on solid ground. This approach requires a shift from seeking instant gratification to cultivating a vision of long-term prosperity. As we explore the art of smart investing, remember, it's your knowledge, your patience, and your discipline that will turn your financial goals into reality, echoing Buffett's journey from a young investor to a global financial icon. In embracing the principles inspired by Warren Buffett, we've navigated through a blueprint for transforming financial dreams into tangible reality. It's a testament to the power of mindset, discipline, and strategic action in crafting a life of abundance and freedom. This journey, while inspired by one of the greatest investors, is uniquely yours to undertake. It's about more than just wealth. It's about shaping a future where financial freedom allows you to live on your own terms. Now it's your turn to take these insights and turn them into action. Start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. Your path to financial independence isn't just a possibility, it's a choice you make every day. And as we conclude this journey, I invite you to engage with this community that's growing together. Share your thoughts, experiences, or steps you're taking towards financial freedom in the comments below. If you found value in this guide, share it with someone who could benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and strategies to navigate your path to financial success. Together, let's build a future marked by wisdom, wealth, and well-being. Your journey starts now.